Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning Chiropractor layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Chiropractor layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It comes with a really nice page structures, a lot of layouts, a beautiful color palette, and if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come for free with Divi, so you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Chiropractor layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So you can click on the blue button which says View Live Demo, and this will redirect you to a live website. So here you can take a look at the different layouts that come with this layout pack without actually having to install them on your WordPress website. So say for instance you really like the landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. And then you'll get 3 options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to choose one of the layouts that come with the Chiropractor layout pack by clicking on the purple button. And over here we have all of the different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Chiropractor layout pack. And over here you have all of the different layouts again, so go ahead and select your layout of choice and click on the green button which says Use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything and make it ready to go live. So of course you can modify all of the written content that comes with these layouts, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and the efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout in just a few clicks. So say for instance you want to change this orange color that's being used, you can simply open one of the modules, go to the box shadow settings, and over here you can right click on find and replace, and you can replace this color with another color of your choice. Make sure that you tick off the box that says replace all found values within every option type not limited to shadow color, and click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout, and you can basically do that for any kind of option you have within every design element and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.